You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You flow like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special. 'Cause I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here.
I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I am not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. She's running out the door. She's running out. Run, 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 run. Whoa. I don't belong here. I don't belong here. 'Cause I'm a creep. Hi, it's Cory. Thank you so much for watching our cover of Creep by Radiohead. We hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much to Cassandra for joining today and playing some killer keys, and also for singing amazingly.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Of course. I'm so happy to have you on the channel. Cassandra also has an amazing YouTube channel where she puts out covers and original music as well.
Yeah, so you can just look up Cassandra Kazor and it'll be there. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch.
And we'll make sure to put all of her socials and her YouTube channel down in the description box. So if you guys are interested, you can go check it out, show her some love, subscribe to her channel, and she's putting things out multiple times a week, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Along with some live streams too that appear on my YouTube channel.
Awesome. So there's lots of places where you can go find her, and she's an amazing musician. So show her some love, go check out her channel. If you're interested in playing Creep on the ukulele and not just the paddle bass, but on like a regular standard ukulele, definitely make sure to check out the rest of our October Spooktacular videos, because there will be a tutorial for Creep in there as well. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and you'll have that to look forward to. Thank you again so much for watching the video, and we will see you next time. Bye!